Hello, Theo here and welcome in the PowerLead system. When you are a new member in the PowerLead system, in the basic or affiliate, I advise you to make a simple web page in Facebook so that people can find you, what you do, and that you get easy new members. How do you do that? First of all, if you have a new client, I did today, then you welcome that client on your timeline so people see that it's handy to have a powerful marketing tool. And it's more chance other people want this tool too. So when you get a new member, show it on Facebook. Um, Pages is free to make, and when you go to Pages in the left of in your help section, create page, you can choose what you want to do. I have my own company, I make pages for my organization, but this case for the PowerLead system is not mine, but I promote it, I make a community of it. I give it a name, PowerLead system would be taken, I think, but you never know, dus that I try first. And some things I will cut out this video because this is live, and you know, in lifetime not always everything happens what you want to happen, but I do my best. So far so good. Okay, that's nice. PowerLead system was not taken. I do it short, you can always change that. Make your powerful marketing system and even make a second income with it, because that's possible if you promote it. I give it a name, blah 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 blah, PLS would be nice. Save info. Oh, the web address must minimum 5 characters. So PLS is not good. Power lead system. Save info. Not this. Also good. Take them away. Save info. Right. PowerLead system. Affiliate. Save. It's good. You can take a profile picture, upload from your computer, or import from a website. Let me see what I have from the PowerLead system. PowerLead system pictures. It takes some time for uploading. And when you do some videos, take off your clients, because otherwise it's okay. Next. Yeah, add to favorites is handy. Next. We don't promote it yet. It's possible to pay Facebook for promoting this page, but we don't that. We don't need that because you have already Facebook, and you see pop up here people beneath, people like your things already, you post already, what you share. So I spent not too much money on Facebook promotion. All these pictures, all the headers you can change later. So I add a cover, upload photo. I don't know what I have, but maybe this one, if it fits. Okay, it's nice. That was a big balance, but it's I can yeah, okay. It's good that people see that you earn money with it. So okay, I earn money with that, and you can do with the money whatever you want to do because they don't ask to reinvest or whatever. So mostly I do this in for ad packs in FutureNet or my advertising page, or I do many. So I use that money to sponsor my other programs, and if you can see that, you can do it too. Nice to see it. Good picture. Add a button. You can do that to let them go to the power lead system. I will do that. Start up my power lead system. No, not duplicate. Admin login. Here it is. But no. No, I don't remember the URL. It's from direct power lead. You see, I have many URLs. Direct join with lighting is the free version. And this is the paid version. Link open in a new tab. Okay, 7 days free, and I was making a page, add button, sign up, website, Ctrl V, into the app, create, and now also we have a button that people can sign up for the power lead system. Test button, and yes, it works well. Wow. Okay, that's how we do it. And you see, add one domain, become an affiliate to get $20 commissions monthly from your clients if they do the basic, or they become an affiliate, you get $20 from everyone each month. A picture, extra training with commissions, $100 commissions, and here I believe $400 commissions. For security, I set them all up. I won't miss the commissions. Then I want to try, and that was it all about, to make I don't want event. I want to make no. That's not what I want. What have we here? Node. I want to make the node. Click on that. And now you can, in the node, make another picture. In this case from the power lead system. And maybe we can do a power lead system photo. Upload. I think I have them in FutureNet. No, I don't want that. Remove. I don't know. I must make one. Widgeting from screencast, you can make snapshots. So copy, save, our lead system, node, save, go back. It's easy to do, so why do it a hard way if it can be done simple? Power lead system, and here it is. Double click and it loads up. Oh, it's too big. You cannot. Okay, I do that later. I fix that later. Title: Power lead system. And then look if I get the good things. Yes, the good stuff. So we do the same as we have in the promotion. I get for my Gmail account is connected with the power lead system, and all the people with a Gmail account in the power lead system in my list get mails from me, and the mails are looking like this. When they click on a link, so that I promote the power lead system, set the volume down because otherwise you can't hear my voice. And actually these are 4 videos and they switch from one to other. And now I want to make a copy of this, not exact the same, but I want to copy this a little for the people who want to join the power lead system, for people who want more information, for information how to set up funnels, how to make capture pages, how to make sale pages, how to use the share codes, how we can connect with each other. So all the important information about the power lead system, we compress it to a powerful node in Facebook. And I hope you understand that and make some pages and notes too, or just copy exactly what I do with your links on it, and you will see you get new clients through this. It's very powerful to do. When you click on the video with your right mouse button, you can share or copy the video URL. I did it already, and Ctrl V is paste. Then you have the video URL, because you can see it is YouTube. Normally you cannot find this video on YouTube because it's not mentioned. And when you go to the video, you don't need the share link, but this is the link from the URL in the browser. So you need the link from the URL in the browser to can set the video in notes for your customers. How does that work? So I say 1 PLS overview. I'm going to do that in the node 2. 1 PLS overview. Enter. Then I want embedded. Embed. Ctrl V. Oh, it's not a good URL. Not that one. I just say to you, you need that one. That's Ctrl C. Ctrl V here. Insert. Voila. Power Lead System video. And click on it if it worked. Sound.
In such demand that millions of entrepreneurs.
So, how simple can it be? Stop. Then, after the text, because it's not exactly the same, get my 7 days free trial. That you're gonna link with this. Ctrl C. Select it. Link. Click. Ctrl V. Enter. Voilà. So I gotta do that for the other videos too, and then we come back. And on your page from Facebook, you have to add your website URL for, again, another option that people can join your business in a Power Lead system. Then you click Save, and of course, this is not real, this are pictures. Then after you have made your page, let your friends now know that you have this page and invite them to like your page, because when they invite your page, other people will see that, and you begin to become friends that looking at your page, and some become customers. And that is what you need. Then you can promote also your page in the Facebook groups. Add your business in business groups like MLM. These are names of business groups. It's all for business. Join not more than 10 a day, because if you do too much, Facebook will give you a slam. Facebook don't trust you then. So not more than 10 a day, but become a lot of these groups in your Facebook, so you can promote a lot. And be careful when you post too much too fast. Facebook can block you for maybe 2 days, 7 days, 14 days. So post slow, take time between the posts, and that is how you can promote your business and how you get new clients, get new opt-ins in your Power Lead system. Every opt-in you get is worth $1. So if you have 1,000 opt-ins, it's worth $1,000. So build your business. The Power Lead system, you have the autoresponder, so you can mailing to your list, and you can this funnels you make in a Power Lead system, you can this funnels send to Aweber if you are a member from Aweber. So that's an option 2, to connect it with Aweber to your order list. And what you also can do, I set the red arrow here, create a group, a secret group, public group, business group. So you have your own promoting group, and people want to join, and people want to post in it, but they always will see your offer on top. Okay, what have we more here? After that, and this video, I realized I did not very much promotion on the Power Lead system, so I wake up and I make promotion material. This is a picture I use as a picture that come up in my advertising in Facebook when I promote my new funnel for Power Lead system. This is the post I make in Facebook. I did make a screenshot from the post, and you see I set my link on it. I get a little text, and the picture is loaded automatically because I put that on my site in the Power Lead system. And when you click, people click on this picture, they go to this URL, and then they became to see my offer. I will show you that in a minute. My team, I use the FutureNet, and also I make funnels for FutureNet for myself and for my team. I have a share code for that. So what I do, just if you use the share code and you can copy the funnel and set your own links, then you can make money in 2 streams, I believe. 2 streams, one in FutureNet and one in the Power Lead system, if you connect it together. So here I start. So we have had this, I close this. Then I want to show you, and I just get another lead. The Power Lead system brings in my leads for whatever I promote, and it doesn't matter what I promote, I always get leads. Very much if you know how to promote in Facebook, what I told you, it will pay off. And sometimes you see here from the free system, people upgrade. I earn $6 in the beginning, and mostly they go after a while to the full business, and then you will earn $20 commission monthly. You're the same. Today I have a new client become affiliate. So this affiliate is very powerful to me. It's from the Power Lead system, and this affiliate can bring me new members for $20 commissions monthly. The funnel I made with the picture I show you over forward. When the people click on that picture, I say in Facebook, they go to this website choose one, and they get seeing this video from FutureNet, no sorry, from the Power Lead system.
Love about the Power Lead system is how simple it is to use. If I want to look at a lead capture page here, I just click on the image. Look at this. Stunning lead capture page. I can change this headline, very simple, change the subheadline. I can easily swap the background pic. I can use this to promote the Power Lead system or any business that I want. Look at this one here. I can change the headline here. I can change the questions, what it asks, and these are great for engaging your prospects with a questionnaire. Again, anytime you want to change the background pic, the headline, anything you want, you can make these pages your own, and you can set up multiple funnels. In fact, you can promote unlimited companies simultaneously. I love this lead capture page because it has a generic video that I can use to promote any business, and I can easily swap that video with any video that I choose. Now I scroll down a little further. There's these stunning, beautiful videos in the background here that you can use with any lead capture page that we've got set up for you. Look at this. You can pull any video off of YouTube and put that in the background with a couple of clicks. Guys, this is amazing stuff. You need to be using these tools to promote your business. I love using the Power Lead system. I use it every day. I love creating stuff, and I can't stress enough how important these tools are to build a very successful business from home.
So you see, oh, this is not meant to be. A good video from the Power Lead system itself. I copy it in the Power Lead system in an option, in an opt-in page. I make it the gray, I make it wider in the code language. I make it a little not black, I don't know, the opacity, so that is, you can look through it. You can that set in different numbers. I did not only do enter your email, also got questions or get my free system. I give them more options to become a member in the Power Lead system. If you click got questions, you have not fill in email, so it's possible people do that. When they do that, they go to my Facebook, or they go to their Facebook, logging in and see my notes about the Power Lead system. They see that I have really earned money. They see the videos are there. So at the end, they know what the Power Lead system is and how powerful this system is. I give them the options again here, start a free trial or just want the free system, and give the 50% leads to the sponsor. Copy these notes for yourself with your own links and get traffic everywhere. I have also free websites to start for traffic. You can ask me there on Facebook for the link, and I use that all. Traffic is clients, clients is members, members is money. So what holds you back? When I make this note, you see in the above here is the URL, but it's ugly long, so I make this URL shorten with the bit.ly, and with bit.ly you can set a header name and you can make your own text as link. I did best note ever for this, and when you copy here you get the link and you can send it to your friends on Facebook if they ask how to. You can just make for Power Lead system or for the FutureNet or for my advertising page, for name it, and you can make it. In the FutureNet what I use, it's like Facebook. I promote also power lead system or anything. So I have two chances to get more clients. FutureNet has a social media aspect, but also a matrix and revenue share. And revenue share, therein I promote. This is also made with the power lead system. And you can make for your own product or own company a funnel like this. Okay, so this is a promotion video wherein we tell how people can easily make funnels to get more clients in the FutureNet or in my advertising page or in whatever you are in. And in the header is a picture. Every time I get $50, I can set a new ad pack, and an ad pack from $50 by looking 10 ads a day will give me $60 back. Simple like that. And of course the 800 views I get for promoting my advertising. So this URL, the FutureNet 1K, I promote in FutureNet to get more members in the power lead system. So that's why I see you this funnel, but you can make it for any business. This is just, I'm in FutureNet, sorry, it's a good program, but it's only to show what is possible in the FutureNet, in the power lead system. And when I go to the FutureNet Ad Pro, these are my members from a few months, but in the advertising section, you go to set it a little more, create a new ad for the beginning. There you make your ad, and a header, text, URL where you want to go to the ad to. Then select the age, man or woman or both, and the country, if one or all, and the language. I do mostly English because that English speaking languages are mostly the rich countries, not always, but you have the most chance of that. So, and when I go to my manage advertising, I have that ads set, and you see every time I get an ad pack, and I got many, then you get 800 credits for views. And you see I have for this ad 241 clicks, 646 clicks, 376 clicks, and these clicks are clicks to get new clients in the power lead system with the movie, the FutureNet 1K referrals this one, to get people in the power lead system. So then have you a multi-income stream, and it works amazing good. And this funnel, when I go to the power lead system, and that's why it is important that you see this video, then there is an option with my sharing codes, or make them yourself. And in the time being, I am a more advanced user, and I make these funnels for you to copy them. And one of these funnels is, I think this one is the FutureNet dual code. It's just new. I have already one user. I make it yesterday, 2 days ago. So you can use this funnel with this code and put it in FutureNet. I have a lot of codes you can copy, but I didn't not use that so much. This function to make my own funnels, I didn't know how to do it, but it's not difficult if you know it, but I have to learn that too. So I did more use other people's funnels who are very good too. This one is very good. The Project Prime funnel is very good, and I will give you this codes in the FutureNet secret group, so you can use them if you want. I think I tell you all about the possibilities in this marketing, and that you know the power lead system is very powerful. I want to show you dating world. I create from scratch in the power lead system, and you can always see that because
Hello, my name is Theo.
Still, because I have buy one URL in the power lead system, and I bought Google for fastcast.com, and before there is a dot, and all what you said before are subdomains, and subdomains are free. So you can make many as you want subdomains. This site I have made 992 likes in a few months, and it's a dating world. And dating world is for single people to add. They can add with a laptop or with a smartphone, and I did it worldwide. And if I go to Asia, there are many women in Asia, beautiful women, and they all get an own web page to, what shall I say, click on it, for promoting themselves with a picture. And even I can give them a YouTube video here if they promote them with video, but the most people don't have a YouTube video to show. They set a text here, and I make this not only to having a dating site, but also for being smart with other funnels I have. So this page particularly brings me to the power lead system to create a same website. When I click on that, you will see, voila, they can get the same option. This is the free option, so it costs people niks to start. Niks is Dutch. People cost nothing to start with this. And when they will chat, I use the chat function from FutureNet. So I get also new clients. There, you see, people have to join. Now it's opening my FutureNet, but normally, close this. Normally, when you can see, when I get on here, on the link here, it's the, I will zoom that in if that is possible. But this is the, so that was the last thing I want to see to you. All information I know about, and I hope you make money like me with the Power Lead system, and with your other system you have already, get more clients. Thank you for watching this video, a long one, but I think it's all worth it to know this information, to have this knowledge to scale up your business. Thank you for watching, and contact me if you have some questions or you need help. It's all possible. Thank you.